Creating a killer book title, a step-by-step guide. Welcome to today's video, where I'm going to be teaching you how you can create a killer book title using 10 simple steps that anyone can follow. Hi, my name is Chichi Barnabas. I'm a self-published author, and I have this goal of helping individuals and corporate brands share their books or publish their books on the internet to leverage their authority and as well make money as a result of that. I'm very excited to be sharing this video with you today, and please consider subscribing if you have not subscribed to my channel. Like the video and give it a thumbs up. Now let's clearly understand why it is important creating a killer book title. It may surprise you that a 50% of your book sell as a result of your book title. So if your book does not have an attractive, a compelling title, definitely it is going to be thrown to the dustbin where no one will be interested in buying, because your book title is the key element in the success of your book. And that is why it must be bold and compelling, but do well not to lie in your book title. And your book title should be strong and convincing enough to sell by itself. Today we're going to be discussing 10 simple steps that anyone can use in creating a killer book title. Now, step number 1, make sure you take some time to list out all the benefits that you think your book is going to be offering to your readers. Make sure you line them up in a way that the readers are going to enjoy them, going from the strongest ones to the least ones. And that is our step number 2. Prioritize them to the strongest and the least. Let those benefits that are the strongest come first, while the others should follow afterwards. Then when you have listed out all the benefits, step number 3 is sit back and begin to brainstorm headlines. Begin to brainstorm all the titles that the benefit that you have listed can be used to create. And here's a little checklist that you'll be using to brainstorm these headlines. First, concentrate on the benefits. Make sure that your titles are benefit rich, and also make sure that they offer a bold promise. Then afterwards, make sure that all your book titles are solution based, because customers are buying your books as a result of the problems your book promises to solve. So do well to create such titles that your customers will anticipate or look at them as being able to solve the problems that they are looking forward to solving. And by that I mean your book title should almost sell by itself. When you're done with that, the next step you need to take is to create up to 20 or 30 or as many headlines as possible as you can create. Now, after you create your headlines, do well to rearrange them. Let those ones that carry the strongest benefit come first, and then the others should follow afterwards. And when you are done with this, head over to Amazon.com and check on the bestseller section. I'm going to be leaving a link in the description for you to do that, to find that easily. Then when you get to the bestseller section, do what to check on their categories and go deep down to the subcategories that align with the title of your book or align with the concept you're trying to write your book about, or the solution or the problem your book is trying to solve. Then when you do that, you now go ahead and make an analysis of at least 50 book titles in the bestseller section. There you're going to be concentrating on looking at the kind of words they're using in their books. You'll be looking at the kind of benefit that they are listing in their books. You'll also be looking at the kind of imageries that they are creating in their books. Now, if those books can make it to the top 50 on the Amazon bestseller list, then it means that they are doing something right with their book titles list. So you can learn from them. Please don't copy other people's book titles. All I'm saying is look at the benefits and the way they are presented, look at the words that they have used, and see how you can craft that into your own title. And when you are done doing that, I believe by now you should have a numerous headlines that you can use as your book title. Then streamline them to just 5. Select 5 out of all that you have gathered so far as a result of your research, because those are the ones who are going to be moving forward with to step number 8. Now, in step number 8, you are now going to create a survey asking your audience which of these top 5 titles will compare them to buy. Your emphasis should be on the ones that will compare them to buy and not just on the ones they like, because it's possible for your audience to like your titles and yet not buy. So let them pick for you those ones that will compare them to put their hands in their wallet and pay for your book. When you're done with this step, of course, I know that some persons may say, but I don't have an audience, I don't have an email list, I don't have anywhere that I'm going to be posting my survey. On that, what you can simply do is join Facebook groups, especially those ones that are related to the subject of your book. And I believe that if you've been giving content in such Facebook groups, then you can go ahead and post your titles there and ask them to choose for you the ones that will make them to buy and not just the ones they like. And when they have all gone through all the surveys, either you use your audience or Facebook groups, then the next thing you ought to do is to now pick the most benefit-rich title that anyone interested in your book can pay for it. And when you're done with that, I tell you, after a while that your book is published, you'll be smiling as your customers will be happy buying your book or buying your products. Thank you so very much for taking our time to watch this video. Please, if you have not subscribed, do well to subscribe, like the video, share the video, and looking forward to see you in the next video. Thank you.